Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to keep your MacBook up to date automatically. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Keeping your Mac up to date may seem like a chore, but it's an essential part of protecting yourself online. Apple and app developer patch security holes when they are found, and they add a helpful new feature to macOS and your application too. Beyond the usual security patches and app updates, Apple's offers shiny new version of macOS to Mac user every year for free. So, what if you want to install or update your macOS automatically on your MacBook? It's very simple. So, first of all, you can just open your System Preferences on your MacBook. Now, from here, you can go to Software Update, and you'll find you can see your Mac is up to date. And if you want to make your Mac up to date when there's need to update, you want to make it up to date, update automatically, you'll find there is an option automatically keep my Mac up to date. You can checklist on it. You can enter your MacBook password, click on unlock. So now you have enabled the feature to update your macOS automatically on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to keep your MacBook up to date automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.